Best router tables provide a stable and precise platform for woodworking routers, allowing users to create accurate edges, grooves, joints, and detailed profiles. Ideal for professionals and DIY woodworkers, they improve control, safety, and efficiency for a wide range of woodworking projects. Starting at number 1, KREG Precision Router Table. The KREG Precision Router Table System, PRS 2045, is a professional-grade woodworking workstation designed to provide accuracy, versatility, and control for routing projects. It features a large 24-32 precision tabletop with a durable, low-friction surface, a precision insert plate system, and a self-squaring T-square style router fence for fast and accurate adjustments. The fence includes independent sliding faces, micro-adjust capability, built-in dust collection, and a jointing feature for creating smooth, straight board edges. Supported by a heavy-duty adjustable steel stand, the system offers excellent stability and customizable working height for comfortable operation. With its robust construction, easy setup, precision controls, and compatibility with a wide range of routers and accessories, the KREG PRS 2045 is an ideal choice for professional woodworkers, craftsmen, and serious DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve consistent and accurate routing results. Number 2, BOSCH RA1181 Router Table. The BOSCH RA1181 Benchtop router table is a durable and versatile woodworking tool designed to provide precision, stability, and control for routing projects. It features a large aluminum tabletop that offers an extended work area with excellent durability and accuracy, along with a rigid aluminum router mounting plate that is pre-drilled to fit a wide range of routers and supports above-table height adjustments. The table includes an extra-tall aluminum fence with adjustable MDF faceplates and featherboards to improve workpiece guidance and routing precision. A built-in 2.5-inch dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner workspace by connecting to standard vacuum hoses, while the accessory slot allows compatibility with featherboards and other 3/4-inch accessories such as miter gauges. With its sturdy construction, adjustable features, included clear guard, starter pin, mounting hardware, and compact benchtop design, the BOSCH RA1181 is an excellent choice for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking accurate and efficient routing performance. Number 3. BOSCH RA1171 Router Table. The BOSCH RA1171 is a corded electric router table made from MDF, designed for precision and convenience in woodworking projects. It features a tall aluminum fence measuring 4 7/8 inches by 25 1/8 inches, which can easily handle tall stock, complemented by adjustable MDF faceplates for smoother operation with larger workpieces. The rigid aluminum router mounting plate ensures accuracy and remains flat, while being pre-drilled to accommodate various router models. For enhanced safety and control, the table includes 2 adjustable featherboards that attach to both the fence and router table, providing guidance and protection against kickback. Additionally, the cabinet-style design incorporates 2 dust collection ports that fit standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, facilitating easy cleanup of job site debris. The BOSCH RA1171 also features a dual outlet switch with a 6-foot power cord, and comes with essential accessories including the benchtop router table, aluminum router mounting plate, 3 mounting plate rings, mounting hardware, 2 adjustable featherboards, an adjustable clear guard, a starter pin and guard, and 2 outfeed fence shims. With its combination of functionality and user-friendly features, this router table is an excellent choice for both amateur and professional woodworkers. Number 4. SKIL SRT1039 Benchtop Router Table. The SKIL SRT1039 Benchtop Portable Router Table is a versatile woodworking workstation designed to provide precision, convenience, and stability for routing projects. It features a smooth 26x16 MDF work surface, a durable aluminum router mounting plate, and a 24-inch adjustable fence with MDF faceplates to guide larger workpieces accurately. The table includes an above-table router height adjustment feature for quick bit adjustments, integrated dual-sided router bit storage, and 2 adjustable featherboards to improve control and reduce kickback during operation. A built-in miter gauge slot, starter pin, dust collection port, and quick clamp router mounting system enhance usability and efficiency. Compatible with SKIL RT132300 and RT132200 routers, router not included, as well as many major router brands. The SRT1039 is an excellent choice for DI woodworkers and hobbyists seeking a portable yet stable setup for precise routing tasks. Number 5. SKIL RT132301 Router Table. The SKIL RT132301 Router Table and 10 amp Fixed Base Router Kit is a complete woodworking solution designed for precision routing, shaping, and edge-forming projects. This combo includes the SKIL SRT1039 Router Table and the powerful SKIL RT1323010 amp fixed base corded router, providing both stability and versatility for DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers. The router features a 2.0 HP motor, soft start technology, variable speed control from 10,000 to 25,000 RPM, LED work lights, and compatibility with both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch router bits for a wide range of applications. The router table offers a large 26x16 or MDF tabletop, 24-inch adjustable fence with MDF faceplates, above table height adjustment, integrated bit storage, aluminum miter gauge slot, router clamp, starter pin, and dual feather boards for improved control and accuracy. With its durable construction, ergonomic router design, and convenient features for precise cutting and shaping, the SKIL RT132301 is an excellent all-in-one kit for woodworking projects ranging from simple crafts to advanced joinery.